Namaskar and good evening. Today we will look at a company called Rajesh Exports Limited. It has huge sales, but other parameters are not so good. It is also in jewelry business, gold business, bullion business. Titan also is approximately in half of these businesses. But Rajesh Exports is not comparable with Titan for many reasons. We will see that. Rajesh Exports is headquartered at Bangalore. So it is involved in extensive global manufacturing of gold and gold products and marketing network. With distribution is towards or with the help of exports, wholesale and directly to consumers. That is retail also. It is said that it refines over 35% of world's gold. So sales are quite heavy. So it is present in the whole of gold value chain. First is mining, minor presence in mining. Then refining, 900 tons of gold. Bullion manufacturing and supply. 2 leading bullion banks and central banks also. Gold products manufacturing, that is largest gold jewelry and gold products manufacturer in the world. Wholesale of gold products, export of gold products, retail of gold products, and so on. So, the entire value chain of gold products. Presently, the company's bullion business accounts for 75% of the revenues. Export and wholesale business accounts for 24%. And retail operations contribute just 1% as on today, but company wants to scale up the retail operations to 20% because it is more profitable. Now, if you look at the geographical presence, the majority of revenues here is by Europe, 29% by Europe. Most people there are buying gold, gold jewelry, etc. Followed by India, 19%. North America, 18%. Middle East, 14%. Far East, 13%. China, 7%. It has got both manufacturing and refining capacities. 2 refining capacities, one in Switzerland and another in Uttarakhand of India. 3 manufacturing facilities are there, Bangalore, Cochin and Dubai. So, wide range of handmade and semi-machine made and completely automated gold jewelry and gold products. Market cap is around 21,536 crores, reasonably big company. Current price is 729, high 52-week high is 995. 52-week low is 516, price earning is 19.9, book value is 456, dividend yield is very low, 0.14%. ROCE also is low at 8.85%, ROE also is low at 8.53%. We have seen Titan. Titan is around 24%, 25% like that, ROCE and ROE. Compare it, see it is not even 1/3. ROCE, ROE, Rajesh Exports. Face value is 1 rupee. Now, if you look at the chart for the current year, 2022, from January it was falling up to June. From June it is slowly rising. Now, in future, how it will be, we will have to wait and see. Company had debt, but it has reduced its debt and now almost debt free. Sales growth has been poor during the last 5 years, just 0.08%, something like that. Then tax rate also is very low. How? That we don't understand. Company has a low return on equity, just 9.45% we have seen. Titan is very high. Dividend payout also is low at 2.96% of profits. Not 2.96%, 2.96% of profits. Now, there is no comparison with Titan actually. Rajesh Exports current market price is 729, whereas Titan is at 2582. Price earning Titan is at around 72, whereas Rajesh Exports is around 20. Market cap, of course, Titan is at 2,29,226, whereas Rajesh is at 21,536. So on and so forth. But if you look at sales, 80,270 crores, Rajesh Exports, whereas Titan is only 9,163 crores. Despite that, Titan is market cap also is very high. Now, if you look at the sales for the last 5 quarters, Rajesh Exports also sales have risen from 41,245 to 80,270 crores. Operating profit has risen nominally 329 crores to 418 crores. Operating profit margin is just 1%. Net profit has risen from 291 to 373. Not big, a slight rise. EPS also is like that, from 9.87 to 12.63 it has risen. Now, if you look at the profit and loss account, sales are, that is annual sales, 1,75,763 crores in March 2019 year. Now 2,80,753 crores. Sales have risen. Operating profit margin very low, 1% or even less than that. Net profit has also not risen during the last 5 years. This current year it has risen to some extent, but last 5 years it has not risen. Dividend payout is 3%, something like that, so nothing much. So other parameter, return on equity, etc., we have seen very low. Not at all comparable to Titan. Ratios, if you see, debtor days are around 16 till last year. Inventory days are 12. Days payable are 16. Cash conversion cycle is 12. Debtor days are low because it is mostly cash and carry. Inventory days, inventory also not, sales are going faster. Therefore, inventory also is not big. Days payable has come down to 16. That is okay. ROCE is low at 9%. Now, if you come to shareholding pattern, promoters hold 54% of equity, which is good. FIA 17.62%. DIA is 11%. Public 17%. Now, this is how Rajesh Exports is. Sales are okay, but sales are not rising well, but sales are very high. Profits are low. Percentage of operating profit margin itself is just 1%, something like that. So, Rajesh Exports share price also is not moving well, not like Titan, etc., etc. So, whoever wants to buy Rajesh, they will have to keep all these things in mind and then take their decisions. Then why have I covered this? Because you need to know sales high, don't go for it. You have to see the profitability levels, debt levels, so many other parameters. Operating profit margin, net profit margin, all these things you have to see. So that I have told. So now you decide. But next time I will come up with another company. Analysis will be like this. but better than this. Okay, thank you. Wait for my next analysis. Thank you.